So we are at 739 Iberville, which is, if you turn the camera around, that street where that yellow van right there is turning, that's Bourbon Street. So we're right on the corner of Bourbon and Iberville. And this is 739. It's a restaurant called Felix's Oysters. And not aware, Lee Harvey Oswald had pretty far-reaching mob ties that go all the way back through his family. His uncle, Charles Dutz Moret, remember back in one of these earlier videos I talked about how he came to New Orleans on the 25th of April, and for about 2 weeks he lived with his aunt Moret. But this is Charles Dutz Moret, who's his uncle. So this is the husband of his aunt, whom he lived with for a couple of weeks. Anyway, this Charles Dutz Moret was a bookie for Carlos Marcello. Carlos Marcello run pretty much this whole city in the 1960s, and we're going to go to his 500 Club here soon, which is kind of where he operated out here in the French Quarter. And Charles Dutz Moret was a bookie for Carlos Marcello. And for Marcello's sidekick, a man named Sam Saya. I don't know if I said that last name right, Saya or Saya. And according to the House Select Committee, which opened up an investigation in the late 70s, Chief Counsel Robert Blakey said that when Oswald was living in New Orleans, he worked for Saya as a runner at Felix's Oyster House. And this is where Saya and Marcello had a bookmaking operation. They ran it right out of this restaurant. And Oswald, all growing up and throughout, you know, he died when he was in his early 20s, so he never was an old man. So all the way through teenage years and up to even a young adult, he was a runner for Carlos Marcello and Sam Saya right out of this restaurant. Joseph Hauser, who was a witness in Carlos Marcello's federal criminal investigation, and according to Hauser, he said that Marcello, when he was asked about Oswald, said, quote, "Oswald, I used to know his whole blankety-blank family. His uncle worked for me. The kid worked for me too. He worked for Sam out of his place, Felix's downtown. The feds came asking about him, but my people didn't tell him nothing. Like we never heard of the guy." So that's the story of Oswald working for Carlos Marcello and Sam Saya out of Felix's here. This is where he was a runner for the bookmaking operation. And of course the Warren Commission will go to great lengths later to try to paint a picture that Oswald was not connected to the mob, was not connected to Jack Ruby, who was also not connected to the mob. It was really important to them to make Lee Harvey Oswald this random lone nut that just whimsically took up a weapon one day and shot the president. But it's pretty clear he had deep ties to the mob. We've already established the fact he had deep ties to the CIA and the anti-Castro organizations, plural, that were under the guise of the CIA, working for the CIA. He had a lot of connections. This man was not some rube that just fell off the turnip truck. Okay.